and welcome to WPBK9. I'm Diva Borkley, here with the news this week. First, over to the weather. How's it going, Dolly?
Thursday, 85, partly cloudy. Friday, 88, keeps climbing in heat. Sunday, 94, Monday, 97, wear paw protection doggies. Tuesday, 84, Wednesday, 82, Thursday, 79, maybe cloudy. And now back to Grandma Kibbles.
What is this? Did you mute my mic? I'm the only one that mutes mics around here. That's right. Okay, I'm tired. Signing off, Diva Borkley, WPBK9 News.